This video is so long overdue, you guys, but oh my gosh, I got this look and it was so easy and quick. Stay tuned if you guys want to know how I got it. First off, we're gonna start off by prepping our face. I love these exfoliate pads. Like, oh my goodness, it just helps, especially if you have texture or if you're about to break out. I wanted to try this new primer that I got from One Size, and it's like a mattifying, blurring primer. It's my first time using it. As you can see, it makes your face a little ashy, but it got the job done. It was definitely less oily, and it was definitely mattifying. And of course, since this is a quick makeup tutorial, I will be using my powder foundation by Fenty. At this point, Fenty needs to just sponsor me because this is all that I use. Now I'm going to be going in with my concealer by Born This Way. And I really do like this concealer too. You have to let it sit for a little bit just so it could get a little tacky. And that's like the best when you do that. Now I'm going to be contouring my face a little bit using my contour palette by Juvias Place. First, I do go in with my Fenty 470 shade, and then I use the Juvias Place. I'm going to be using this cream blush that I got from Fenty as well. It's an orange cream blush, and I love this blush. Like, the orange on the brown skin tone just looks so nice. Now I'm just blending out my concealer and just going over my Fenty contour with the Juvias Place contour. And I'm using the dual palette. I really do love this palette. I don't like to do too much. I like to keep it very simple, but I do contour my nose just a little bit, just so everything could be, you know, put together. And now I'm going to be using the OG lip liner by MAC Chestnut, and I'm going to be lining up my lips. I love this pressed powder by One Size, and I'm going to just be putting that where I put my concealer. Patting that down. And I also like to use the powder puff when it comes time to putting down my pressed powders. Like, it just applies so seamlessly, even my powder foundation or my powders in general. And now it's time for the letdown. And I did my own hair, y'all. It's giving scalp. Tell me it's not. And y'all, I really love this look. It was so quick and easy. It's 2025, you guys. So if you're still struggling to do your makeup, definitely hit that follow button, like, and subscribe. That way you guys could definitely keep up to when I do post more videos, because I'm posting up videos that's going to be quick and easy tutorials for my beginners, for my girlies that just want to look cute and you don't want to be going to a makeup artist all the time. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video and put that post notification up so you guys know when I do post again. Bye.